Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone is ready. Check iOS and free about 1 GB because repairs need temp space. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled and backup. If you use optimized storage, temporarily disable it so originals are available. Now open the Photos app and locate the problem image. You'll act on the actual file, crop, revert, or re-download, so you must have the original available. This avoids partial edits and sync conflicts as you proceed. You now perform the core fixes. Start an edit. Tap Auto, then adjust exposure, highlights, and shadows for quick correction. Smart HDR helps recover detail. If edits caused problems, revert to original. Make a duplicate first if you want a safe copy. For corrupted files, open Files or iCloud Drive and re-download the original image. If missing, restore from your backup snapshot. Along the way, make incremental saves so you can compare before and after and avoid losing data. Finish by exporting the fixed photo to files or sharing it to verify integrity and format. Once satisfied, re-enable optimized storage if you disabled it earlier. If edits won't apply or the app crashes, force quit photos or restart your iPhone, then check iCloud sync status to ensure changes propagated. If corruption or missing data persists despite re-download and restore attempts, use an iTunes/Finder backup restore or contact Apple support for deep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.